So while we've been really busy with Cybertrucks lately, we are still customizing Model S's at T-Sportline. And today I have a 2024 Model S long range that came to us originally in Tesla gloss black, but the customer wanted it to be blue. Now Tesla offers a beautiful shade of blue, but that wasn't the right shade for this customer. He had a very keen eye and he specifically wanted to wrap it in Inozetek Midnight Metallic Blue. This car is absolutely beautiful. It is wrapped in this blue color, and it's quite a bit different than the Tesla original blue. Now, we did not stop there. We went ahead and installed our gloss carbon fiber sports package on the lower front apron, on the rear wing, and of course also on the lower rear diffuser, which is my favorite part. Gets rid of some of the plastics that are on the car, accentuates the look of the Model S, makes it seem sportier. I think it's a really great look. Now, this car came with 19-inch wheels and tires from Tesla, and those Aero covers and just kind of very basic wheels just don't look great, but he wanted to stay with 19s. So he chose our gloss black TSR wheels. As you could see, they work perfectly with the Continental tires that came with the car. It's an easy fit using the original mounting hardware and completely changes the look. To add a little bit more detail to all of this, gloss carbon fiber side mirror caps, and gloss carbon fiber front fender camera housings to complete the exterior carbon fiber transformation and to complement also the sports package. To finish it all off, of course, you got a tint to Model S because they get really hot. And not only does this look great, but it also will help cool the interior by up to 15 degrees on those hot summer days. Thank you so much for watching, T-Sportline fans. We really appreciate all of your support and all of your comments. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. We have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon.